When you are near, my heart is at peace. Hurry home.
Yes, he's killed the Empress. I'll see you beheaded for this, Kova.
My dear Corvo, what a sad hand fate has dealt you. The beloved Empress is dead, and everyone thinks you're the killer. But we know what really happened, don't we? You don't want to end your life to the sound of idiots cheering as your head hits the muck, do you? Let's see if we can do better. And to make things interesting, my mark. Consider it a gift.
To all members of the watch, we are now on the high alert. Sailors may kill any suspicious persons unnecessarily. Attention all citizens. By order of the Lord Regent of the City Watch, all personnel by the laws of the Lord Regent, report all sleepers.
Clear them out.
Why even bother? The plague has increased my profits. As long as it stays along the poor, I don't see a reason to become upset.
Stop him!
John! John!
You're in Boston! Kill him! Listen, killing me won't solve anything.